What's wrong with your Jeep, Griff? You left it outside and got flooded. Yeah, that's not good. Does it turn on still, Griffin? How do you turn it on?
The power button.
Where's the power button? Oh. Okay, so the engine runs. Oh, I think I see what's wrong here.
So we are fixing the transmission today, right?
Oh, man, look at that. Griffin, I think you did some transmission damage. Griffin, did you jack your Jeep up?
Griffin, you're going to help Daddy jack the Jeep up. I'm so excited.
Here, let's put this in. Let's get this on flat ground. We don't want anybody getting hurt. All right, go over here. I'll get the jack in place. All right. All right. Get it up, Griffin. All right, I think that's high enough. All right, Griffin.
Awesome.
Something is going on with this. Yeah, look. That is a problem. This transmission, bad stuff is happening. So, all right, watch out, Ellie. Pretty much. So, power's going to this, and I guess there's some circuit in the motor controller that puts all the power to that one when it senses too much load on this one. So we're gonna have to get this wheel off, and then we're gonna have to pull the transmission.
Okay.
See what happened. It might be really loud. Probably not. I'm gonna pull the wheel off, the hubcap off real quick. All right, there's that. Now we need to get a socket on that. Because I gotta hold it with one side. I might have Griffin do that. I might have to do this because of the way it is.
Oh.
All right, we got it.
Yeah, Ellie's got an orange screwdriver.
All right.
Hey, Griffin, can you pull the wheel off for me?
Ellie, do you want to pull the wheel off?
Yeah. Can I pull the wheel off?
Maybe you guys can both
Yeah,
get...
pull it off together, or maybe Ellie.
He's making that
It's hot.
Is it hot?
from the sun.
There we go. We're getting it.
Yay.
All right. So there's the wheel. Everything looks fine there.
Okay.
Let's do the other wheel.
All right. We gotta get the motor and the transmission. Oh, I need to lift the seat and disconnect the motor. Oh, the seat is screwed in.
Oh,
Why would they do that?
well, you
Don't
know.
answer that question.
This one off too.
Hold on, Ellie Bells.
So what's the first thing?
So what's the first thing? So what are you talking about?
I have a screwdriver that fixes Griffin's feet.
It fixes Griffin's Jeep, huh?
Is that
She's saying she's got tools too.
no one?
That's okay. We got enough tools out here, Ellie. Save that one for the inside stuff.
All right. I think I'm gonna have to pull the seat. Looks like the seat's already loose. Griffin, what are you doing here?
He's driving it hard.
That side is
Was this caused by what we did in the snow?
That remains to be seen.
Yeah, I let him drive it in the snow, and it was the wrong type of snow, I guess.
What do you mean, wrong type of snow?
Well, didn't you say
they're not
it
designed
was
for
really,
snow.
really wet, though? Like, it was, like,
Oh no!
not frozen.
That could have been dangerous.
Oh. Yeah, it was, luckily no one's underneath it.
All right, so here's the transmission.
Okay.
There's the motor. Get on here, bug. We're gonna take this apart and see why this has a lot of extra drag.
And we can just get the one out of the black Jeep, right?
If we need to use it as a parts Jeep, we can.
Okay.
Ellie, please stop pushing that.
Oh, did you buy another transmission?
No.
Oh. I was like, what's your plan after you take it off then? Oh.
Ellie, stop, please. All right, so let's see what this looks like.
It's
Did
not
I miss a
loud.
screw? Yeah.
Not loud.
Yeah, they both don't like the loud noises.
It's not loud.
Okay. So the transmission actually looks okay.
Okay. So, did something get stuck?
I don't see anything.
Is it wet?
No, it's just grease. It's normal. I don't see anything.
As I'm...
There's nothing really terrible going on in here. I could remove the motor. I don't know if he does either. Oh, this is the problem.
Yeah.
Look at the. It's burned up in there.
Oh, so the motor's burnt?
Yeah, I think the
Like
motor's.
fried?
I mean, it spins. Actually, the motor's bad. Look, there's a piece of melted plastic in there. The cooling fan's melted. Griffin, you overheated this thing. Look.
Well, I could have told you that by the smoke.
Yeah, but I don't know if the motor was the problem or the transmission created this problem. You know, like if the transmission broke and this was the problem. So, I mean, this is a viable thing. We can borrow it off of the black one. I bet it's the same.
Yeah, let's try that and see if the black one's inside. What did you grab from inside?
Oh, my orange goes by her.
You want to help us?
I'm gonna make sure that the motors are the same. This one just needs the axle bent into shape because it got overloaded when I hopped on top of it.
When you hopped on top of it, isn't it funny? We try to be fun and we break our kids' toys, huh?
We'll do that because this thing can still be fixed. I don't want to like totally destroy this.
Right.
Turn it into a parts only rig. This is the King Gang.
Okay.
I don't know what that means, but let's go compare this whole unit. Now the other one has a temperature protected or load protected circuit. This does not, which I don't really care. Let's just go see if we can't slide this one in place and plug it in and see if it's happy.
And then
it looks like it might work. I'm just gonna install the whole unit. I think this will work. We'll just drive this. Look at that.
Wow.
I know.
Wow, Ellie.
Let me see if I can plug it in. Oh, it reaches.
Does it fit the
The
same?
plug's the same. Yeah.
Okay.
This might be a stronger one too because it doesn't have a weak little circuit protector in there.
Is it not loud?
I don't think it's gonna be loud. No.
What?
That's it. All right, now let's give it a test ride in the air. Oh, much better.
That side almost does. Is it me or does that seem like it was spinning faster?
Which one?
The left side, or am I
hope
just?
not. It might be geared different. Let's see. If that's the case, I gotta swap the other one.
Look at it. It looks like it's going fast.
Oh yeah, it's 100% faster. All right, so we're gonna swap them both. Griffin, you're gonna have an upgraded rig here.
Yay! I noticed things.
All right,
Are
hold on.
you gonna swap out the wheels?
Yeah, look how much bigger they are. Why wouldn't I do that?
I don't know. This is awesome.
So much better. Griffin, can you get the wheel covers off of that one? All right, so we need to slide this. All right, so actually I'm gonna just get some vice grips.
Vice grips to hold the axle. I feel like I start to record after you say
I
something.
don't want.
There we go.
Just a moment, Obel.
Okay, so slide that off. That's a good unit. There's the donor unit. Go ahead and get this plugged in. All right.
I'm empty.
They're both empty.
Hello.
Yeah, they want some waters. I'm gonna take a water break. We're almost done though.
Yeah, well, this thing's almost back together.
Yeah.
You know, more.
I will. That's a
Almost there. Almost there.
cat.
All right, all I gotta do is cinch her down, and then Griffin will be cruising. All right.
Putting this tire here.
It's gonna go back on the other Jeep.
All right, let's see what happens here.
Let me put back on the other.
They're both the same now. Better.
All right, so we gotta clear the workspace here. You don't want to crush anything. Griffin, I want you to lower the Jeep down. Turn it.
Towards Mama, right? Good job, Griffin. Ooh. Put the seat back on it and then.
Get the seat back on it.
I want to put the seat on.
All right, well, can you put the seat on? Here. Don't dump it upside down because there's a screw in it that I can't get. Hold on, we gotta get the seat belt in place.
Can I drive
All right. Once it's back together, yeah. Stay on the wheel.
it?
And don't stand on tools or wheels, Ellie. You could either fall or break something.
All right, Griff, you ready to drive it? You gotta give this thing a good detail. She's dirty. Take her for a spin and see how fast it is. All right, kid, go for it.
And off he goes. Wow, that's fast. Dang. It's awesome. How exciting. He hasn't been able to ride this thing since December or something.
Well, it got cold outside. They got run. This thing is
Wow.
so fast.
It's not too fast. Poor Ellie.
It used to be just a little bit faster than hers.
Now it's like,
Now it's like twice as fast.
because of the motors and the...
Yeah. All right. You know the drill. Steering wheel straight. All right, floor it.
Awesome. Another job in the barrage garage. Gonna launch Ellie. Awesome. And there we have it. Jeep upgrade.
All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Oh, done.
Is that what I missed?
No, Griffin, you're gonna need alignment now. Yeah, we heard it.
So now it's a transmission teardown, right?
Yeah, now we're doing another transmission teardown.
Yeah.
Let's see here. It doesn't sound like it's broken on the inside. It just feels like it. See, this doesn't spin the motor anymore. Yeah, we did something. I just assumed that the heavier units would be, the ones that made more power would be stronger.
Maybe it just wasn't meant for that much power.
It was a drivetrain shock, I guarantee it. We basically were doing neutral drops with it. Oh, there's the motor. Motor's fine. Yeah, see, I can see the gears in there. It's not doing anything. All right, here we go. Did Daddy break it?
Or how did Daddy break it, we should be saying.
Oh yeah. There's teeth in here. There's plastic teeth in here.
So what does that mean?
That means that there's supposed to be teeth. I don't see where they're missing from yet. Oh, this one right here, this gear right here, it ripped all the teeth off of this.
Oh.
See, this is supposed to turn this, but it literally removed all of the teeth.
Okay.
And that is likely from drivetrain shock.
Okay, so
So that was something I did, and I don't think I can use parts of this transmission because they are
not the same size?
not the same. They're geared differently, and they're made differently.
Okay. So what do you need to buy? Maybe just upgraded. Might as well just upgrade both.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see, is this the same? Is this the same? There's no way this is the same.
Try it.
I'm going to. I think this is gonna be different. Oh yeah, look at the difference there.
Yeah.
That's different. So maybe they make an upgraded gear set.
Okay.
Yeah, Griffin, look, we broke the transmission right there. Took all the teeth off the gear. See how that gear's broken?
I can't drive.
It can't drive, no. Put the good motor from this bad gearbox into this one and swap the gearboxes back over.
Okay.
I don't want to, but I might get them going today.
Okay.
I mean, that's all I can think of doing.
Just swapping the motors and then...
Yeah, we're just gonna have to put this one back together.
Okay. But he was having a blast while it lasted.
He did have a good time. That part was worth it, I think.
Yeah. The memories you guys are going to have of breaking so many things together and fixing them together.
Yes. As long as this part's the same.
Let's hope.
Yeah, I have some doubts though.
Should probably just order the upgraded parts anyway, don't you think?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna order everything to make it to where we can drive it the way we were driving it.
Okay.
Without repercussions.
Yeah.
I just gotta make sure these go on the right wheels. Which one was bad before? The driver's side. So this goes back onto this. This will go back on here. Yes, is right on it. And this one.
It's marked L, but.
Yeah, so that goes on the other side. So I'll take this shaft apart.
Okay, L Bell.
Alright, that's for now. Let's go to the other side. Swap out this. But we're not going to do any more launches, okay?
No more launches, but that was...
It was fun while it lasted.
Yep.
Daddy will buy you the upgraded parts. There we go. So this is basically the original transmissions with the motor out of one of the out of the black one.
Okay.
Because we broke one of the transmissions from the black one.
Yeah.
Well, you know what? He's getting a really early lesson in what I got when I had my Turbo MX-6 on the road.
Is that what you did to yours?
I think 9 or 10 transmissions when I used to drive that car.
Oh,
I
jeez.
should build that car back up again.
Yeah.
I kind of miss it.
Yeah.
It's nostalgia.
Yes, you should.
He's going to be like, can you make it faster?
Well, we have the memories. At least if it's drivable, that will be happy.
I'm just going to let him drive it. I'm not going to do any launches.
No more launches unless we get upgraded transmissions.
Yeah, once we get better parts.
Yeah. I just don't know how you know what needs to be upgraded.
Well, it might just be a gear set.
Oh.
Which is easy enough. It might be a whole transmission unit.
Just no more launches. Gonna park your bike and get on one more time?
He's like, I've heard this before.
Right.
Transmission in it now.
No, there's a transmission. I just put the smaller ones back in.
Smaller transmission, so it won't have as much power. Let's give it a test drive, all right?
Yeah, drive it. If you break it, I'll fix it again.
All right, back in business.
All right, back in business.
See if I can hold on to my phone. Definitely slower, but at least it drives. Hey, Stella. No, he's happy. Now we can say another fix completed. I don't want to jinx it. So for now, the Jeep rides on.